In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account to Gumroad. Getting your bank account connected is essential because this is how Gumroad sends you your payouts from sales. Once it's set up correctly, you can focus on selling, knowing your earnings will automatically be transferred to your bank. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Gumroad account. The dashboard is your main home base, where you can see your products, sales, and other key information. From your dashboard, look towards the side or top navigation menu and click on Settings. This is where all your account-related options live, including payment details, notifications, and profile settings. Inside the Settings area, find and click on the Payments tab. This is the section dedicated to how you get paid, including payout methods and related information. Give the page a moment to load completely. Now, scroll down until you reach the Payout Method section. This is the part of the page where you'll actually connect your bank account. If you've never set this up before, it should be empty or show a prompt to add bank details. At the top of the Payout section, you'll see the area where you can add your bank account. Start by clicking into the field labeled Pay to the Order of, or something very similar. Here, type your full name exactly as it appears on your bank account. This should match the account holder name your bank has on file to avoid any issues. Next, click into the field for the SWIFT or BIC code. This is an international identifier for your bank. You can usually find it on your bank's website, in your online banking portal, or by contacting your bank. Type it carefully, double-checking each character. Then move down to the account number field. Enter your full bank account number exactly as provided by your bank. This number is critical for sending payouts, so take your time and make sure there are no missing or extra digits. Below that, you'll see a Confirm Account Number field. Type the same account number again. This confirmation step helps catch typing mistakes before they cause payout failures. Now, click on the Account Type drop-down and choose whether the bank account is an individual or a business account. Pick the option that matches how your bank account is set up and how you operate on Gumroad. Finally, fill in the name and address fields below. Use your legal name and a complete, accurate mailing address that matches your banking details as closely as possible. Once all the fields are filled out and everything looks correct, your bank account is connected and you're ready to receive payouts from Gumroad.